How to flip face orientation in Blender. Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. And now let me show you how you can do it, and if this video helped you out, will help you, don't forget to subscribe. I will really appreciate that. And now what you have to do is to expand this. Let's enable face orientation, and we have here two faces that are not good. It's not good. So what you have to do is to press A and then go to mesh and then normals, and then you have to click on recalculate outside. Okay, and now we are back to normal. And you can also press shift N. That's what I do. I use this shortcut, which is located here. I mean, you can see here the shortcut. And yeah, I hope you learned something. And if you learned something, if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching.